In this video, we will show you how to make your iPhone more productive, saving you time and enhancing your day. Let's begin with time management. The iPhone Calendar app enables you to organize your schedule with ease. You can effortlessly add and manage events, set reminders, sync with other calendars, and stay on top of your commitments. With these time management features on your iPhone, you'll be better equipped to prioritize your tasks, allocate your time wisely, and ultimately optimize your day for maximum productivity. Creating and organizing tasks. Task management apps like Todoist or Things help you prioritize and organize your to-do lists. Easily create tasks, set due dates, and categorize them to stay focused and efficient throughout your day. With the right note-taking app, such as Notability or Evernote, you can transform your iPhone into a powerful tool for capturing ideas, taking meeting notes, and organizing important documents. Collaborative apps. Organizing your apps into folders is a powerful search feature and a useful way to find what you need instantly. You can arrange your iPhone apps into folders like messaging apps and task management apps to make your time more productive. That's it, these steps can help you save time and optimize your day. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for useful tutorials.